Hello everyone, today in this video I will talk about CSE scholarship in Jilin University, and we will also take a look further about the different notifications and events in that university. So let's start. So it's a Chinese government scholarship type B. Jilin University, founded in 1946, is a national key comprehensive university under the direct administration of Ministry of Education in China, among the first batch of Project 985 and Project 211 key construction universities. Okay, and the Jilin University offers wide range of disciplines covering 13 academic categories: philosophy, economic, law, education, literature, history, science, engineering, agriculture, medical, science, management, art, interdisciplinary studies. So if you belong to these disciplines, then you can apply for CSE scholarship at Jilin University. The university has completed high-level talent training system with bachelor, master, and doctoral program. More than 70,000 students on campus. It has nurtured more 6 lakh alumni worldwide and rank 10th in the number of outstanding alumni in Chinese university, and its quality of high-level talent is widely recognized by both international and domestic communities. Okay, now I'll talk about scholarship. The Chinese government scholarship university graduate program aims to select international students with excellent academic background. Okay, and then enrollment categories and major: full-time graduate student, master and doctoral degree. Please refer to attachment 1 for detailed catalog of majors, masters and doctoral program taught in Chinese. So you will come here and take a look at attachment here. You can see the catalog majors for Jilin University Chinese government assesses. So you click here and this form will be downloaded. You can take a look here further about that. So a college of foreign studies, you can take a look which one is English and which one is taught in Chinese. Yeah, so that's how you can take a look at majors for Jilin University in Chinese government scholarship. And yeah, and here we can take a look. The basic academic study for masters is 2 to 3 years, and for corresponding period 3 to 4 years, and for doctor is 3 years. Maximum study period is 6 year. Eligibility: applicant must be citizen of country other than Republic of China, and be a good health both mentally and physically. Okay, hold bachelor's degree, master's degree, acquired Chinese proficiency when applying for Chinese start program. Okay, and the scholarship coverage is tuition fee on campus, apartment accommodation, living expenses. So they will provide 3,000 RMB for masters and 3,500 RMB for PhD, with accommodation and health insurance as well. So you need to submit the application, and they have mentioned all the process that international education of Jilin University carry out preliminary review. Okay, and all this, and then at the end you will have enrollment in September 2024. So that was all about the scholarship, and you can also take a look further about 50 international students celebrate Little New Year festival and all this activities here. I will add the link in the description. Yeah, and if you will have any question, you can ask me in the comment section. I'll respond to your queries. How to apply for the CSC scholarship? I have already made the video. You can take a look there. Thank you so much for. You can take a look in in the playlist. You will have China, and in China you can see a lot of videos related to scholarship in China, and there you will find CSC scholarship, and you can find that video how to apply for CSE scholarship. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you want to hear more about scholarship videos, then kindly subscribe to our channel. Take care. Bye bye.